Hey everybody, welcome to Cara's Cucina, YouTube's first and only Emmy-nominated cooking show. I'm Cara Di Falco and my special guest today, Chef Jesse Jones,
Yes.
and we are celebrating Dad's and Father's Day with his New Orleans-style barbecue shrimp.
Yes. Wow. We've been doing this a long time.
We have been doing this a long time. Can I ask you to do your little singing intro, please?
Oh yeah, of course. Are you ready for Chef Jesse? Are you ready for Chef Jesse? I got chicken, waffles, biscuits, gravy. See, I kicked the song up on the new Chef Jesse show. Little improvement.
I like it, I like it.
Pretty much. Already.
Okay, Chef, talk to me a little bit about the dish we're making today.
So, you know I went to New Orleans.
Yes.
20 years in the making, I always wanted to go. Went down there and I had the barbecue shrimp. Now, up here, barbecue, people think it's smoke and
Yes.
ribs, but down in New Orleans, barbecue shrimp is a shrimp normally done with, and I'll show you what I have here, Worcestershire, peppers, seasonings, oil, butter, but they keep it in the shell.
Okay.
And they cook it in the shell, and then you peel them.
Peel them, okay.
But I figured for Father's Day, you want to start with a starter. You can peel them, but I season them in my Chef Jesse essence, and I think you have that recipe. Did you?
Yes.
Did you read my book?
Yes, sir.
I've been
Yes,
asking everybody,
sir.
and they're like, I said, you see my essence? They're like, we don't know your essence. I'm like, it's in the book. You got my book, you didn't read it. So basically essence, and I marinate some shrimp. These are the jumbo shrimp for Dad. You got to kick it up.
That's right.
1620s, you can go even bigger for Dad.
Okay.
And so I have my essence. I marinate these overnight. A lot of folks, may not like to marinate their seafood, but why I call these the Chef Jesse barbecue shrimp for Dad is that you marinate
them overnight.
Maximum flavor.
Okay.
Also, while I was down in New Orleans, I noticed that they use straight butter, which is great. But I like to use. Are you familiar with a compound butter?
Absolutely, I am. But explain for everybody anyway.
And so everybody that out there that doesn't know, compound butters are basically butters that you infuse anything you like, whether it's shallots, garlic, onions, whatever. But I feel like on Father's Day for a starter, compound butters are great. It's a quick start. Saute your shrimp, add your compound butter, and then you got that really good flavor.
A lot of flavor.
Yeah, a lot of flavor. Then we have some more additives. So you got your shrimp marinated, you got the compound butter, grapeseed I like to use with my seafood, and you got you a winner. So, and in the compound butter is roasted peppers,
Ooh.
roasted garlic, roasted shallot, thyme, a little bit of salt. It's all that love and all that flavor.
Absolutely.
So you want to get started cooking these up?
Yes, sir.
So, let's, we had our pan preheated, so we'll just get it going. Now, one of the things is, you don't want to kind of like get it, blackened. You just want to kind of, cook your shrimp. So
Okay.
use some grapeseed oil. I'm gonna get my trusty glove here, cause you always got grandma like, you're using your hands.
Now my grandma's always used their hands. That's how we made everything.
Yeah, so we're gonna get that. So like I said, I want to get the pan warm, but I really don't want I don't really like a really hard sear. But just to get in, the shrimp has this like built-in indicator when you know when they're done.
Right, yeah, just that color change right away.
Yeah. So once I get these in, I'll remove my gloves. Get these all in. See how that smells already starting to smell good?
Absolutely.
Get those in. Okay, so for the first part, what I like to do is, and I'll just give that to you. So for the first part, I like to start to get a little color, a little bit of sear, because shrimp, sometimes when you let it cook too long on this side and you turn them over and it's done. This is really quick. Just want to get a little bit of that season activated in the pan, all that love going. So now, we turn them over. It's very fast. See that?
Yes.
So now,
and I think that's the thing. I think a lot of people are afraid to cook seafood because they're afraid to overcook it, to
Right.
undercook it. And shrimp, like you said, make it so easy because they change color almost instantly. And once you see that color change,
Yeah.
turn them.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, once you get it like that, you know what? Add your compound butter in there. Let that melt. Add your little bit of, add your little crushed peppers. It is a little heat in there.
Little heat.
Get your Worcestershire in there. Try to share sauce out in there. Get that going in there. So now once it starts to melt and all that flavor, you can turn it off.
Okay.
Don't keep residual heat, because that residual heat's going to continue to cook the shrimp. And then you put that in there, and you turn them over there. And I tell you, right now, you got you some really.
The smell already is amazing.
Yes. And now, so on the toast points, I add a little Creole compound butter on there as well.
The same thing.
So you got that
made kind of a little
here.
crostini with
Yep.
those.
And then you put those on, and the guests will be lining up. And then, you know, you put those down on there. And then when you get there, you take, let's go, sorry. You get a little bit of more of your, you don't want it too runny because you don't want it running all over the plate. You just go, pow! 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 Then you say, come and get it!
All right.
Bon appetit, y'all. Happy Father's Day.
Guys, you can find this recipe at caradifalco.com, and you can find Chef Jesse and a lot of his recipe. Your 40 feast, right?
Yes.
Pound My Life in 40
my
feast.
cookbook, y'all get it. It's on Amazon.
It's on Amazon. We're gonna hook you up in the link below so you can find a ton of Chef Jesse recipes. And again, once these barbecue shrimp are gonna be on caradifalco.com for you. You can follow me, Facebook and Instagram at Cara Di Falco. You can follow Chef Jesse as well.
On Facebook, and also, do you know what that POW means? Passion, opportunity, and work. POW, get it.
That's it.
And bake.
Chef Jay, happy Father's Day
Thank
to
you
you.
so much.
Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Come on, we gotta
Oh,
dig
let's go.
in. Absolutely. Salute, my friend.
Bon appetit, though, y'all.
Oh my God.
POW.